our keynote speaker, COA Commissioner Attorney Roland Mondok, and also the current president of the Philippine Institute of CPAs, my colleagues in the Board of Accountancy, hindi ko na ho sila isa-isahin, nandun naman po sila sa program. The presidents of all sectoral organizations of the accountancy, we have the ACPAC, ACPA, GAPA, NAPAE, okay. Um, the members of the board of NAPICPA, the friends of the new CPAs, sabi nga ni Attorney Sam, yung mga distant, yung mga minamahal na boyfriend, asawa, pwede na. Matagal ka rin at least, 6 months. 4 years! Naku, Attorney Toots, mahirap yun. Kumuha na sila ng iba. So to your loved ones, diba? Pag ayaw mo, hindi pa ako prepared, huwag ka na ng iba. Okay, to the relatives and friends of the new CPAs, faculty members, and most especially, sabi nga ni Attorney Pondo, the star of this event, the new CPAs. Good afternoon. As we conclude this meaningful and significant event, I want to take a moment to congratulate all the new CPAs here today. As the new generation says, yay, A. Again, A. O lakas. Hindi na pala congratulations. Yay. Okay. You have worked very hard, shown resilience, and demonstrated unwavering commitment to making your dreams a reality. Sabi nga ni Attorney Sam, torture. Diba? Grabe mo sa Attorney Sam, torture talaga, no? Okay? Today is a reflection of your dedication and sacrifice as we celebrate your success. I also want to extend my deepest gratitude to the parents, your beloved one, whether boyfriend or husband, your families, and teachers who have tirelessly supported you throughout this journey. Their love, encouragement, and belief in your potential have been an integral part of your success. This achievement is as much as theirs as it is yours. As you step forward into the next chapter of your journey, I want to remind you of the profound responsibility you now carry as trusted stewards of financial integrity, and also that's also mentioned by Chair Noe. So at this point, let me inform you from the onset that the title of CPA is not just a recognition of your technical skills, but also of your character. You are not only accountants, you are custodians of trust with a calling to serve the public, your clients, and your communities with the highest standards of integrity, honesty, and accountability. Remember, the foundation of your success as professionals lies not only in numbers, sabi nga ni Attorney Pondo, but in the values you uphold, you uphold. Integrity is your compass. Always choose the right path, even when no one is watching. So, pangalawa na akong binanggit sa inyo yan ngayon. Honesty should guide every decision you make, and accountability must be your constant companion. The trust placed upon you by your clients and the public must never be taken lightly. Now, I know you just passed the CPA board exams, and while this is a huge achievement, it is important to remember that this is just the beginning. There's so much more to learn. The basic rudiments of the accounting profession are only the start. Your true learning begins as you apply this knowledge in the real world practice. Be humble and take this opportunity to continue refining your skills, learning from your experience, and growing your profession. In your journey as CPAs, I encourage you to draw strength from God's Word and know that He has a purpose for you in this calling. As you serve with excellence, let this verse guide your heart. Hindi po ako pastor, pag-remind lang po ako sa inyo. Proverbs 12:1, whoever loves discipline loves knowledge, but whoever hates correction is stupid. Let this remind you to always strive for continuous learning and improvement. Be open to correction and grow stronger in your field. Embrace lifelong learning through the years. Another, I only have two. Colossians 3. Whatever you do work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters, since you know that you will receive an inheritance from the Lord as a reward. Minsan mo kasi, pag hindi tayo na-promote, naiinis na tayo. Mabihira naman yung boss ko, hindi kami pinromote. Pero if you only think that what you're doing is for the Lord, hindi ka maiinis sa boss mo kahit sinisigawan ka na. Wala yun. Sinigawan ko na, tinapunan ka na ng working papers for the Lord dito. Oh, tinapunan ka na, love yan. For the Lord dito. I'm guaranteed you. Diba? Hindi ka mag-bore. Luke 16, whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. May this remind you to be faithful in small things, for they are the foundation for greater responsibilities in life. As you embark on this rewarding career, always remember that your professional journey is more than just a career. It's a way to serve others and honor God. Strive to be a shining example of what it means to lead with integrity, work with honesty, and be accountable in all things. Remember also that God's gift to you is yourself. What you give to God, what you do with yourself is you give to the Lord. So, go forth and shine. The world is waiting for your talent and your commitment to excellence. Once again, congratulations to each of you new CPAs. You give yourself a round of applause.